is nice. This is nice. This is lovely. This is lovely. What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Now today we have something special. We always have something special on the channel here. One of a kind, always clean, always fresh. And we're going back to Japanese auto. And what we have today is a Subaru WRX. So a ton of features. I can't remember out of my head. So first up, 18-inch alloy rims designed specifically to cool down the brakes. Sport tires, Alcantara Interior, bucket seats, powered seats, seat heaters, boost gauge, front camera, blind spot camera, reverse camera. It also has a blind spot monitor, crash prevention, lane keep assist, SI mode, Subaru Eyesight technology, and a whole lot more features. But we're on our way to Ultra Race once again to look at this beauty. We are in Ultra Race now. Reach, and here is our Subaru waiting. And we're here again, we're here at Japanese Auto. They have the most fabulous cars, and we're here with Tajay again, the man who knows about cars. So what we have right here is a Subaru, a 2019 Subaru WRX S4. Pretty much similar to the STI, all the same features, all the similar horsepower. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to have Tajay go through and give us some details on the features and functions of this Subaru. So Tajay.
Alright, so this is a 2019 Subaru WRX S4. Can practically call it a STI because it produces 295 horsepower at 296 pound-feet of torque. You have the Alcantara interior just like the STI. You have the full STI body kit. So come around this side. And the body kit isn't just for style because they actually add a lot of downforce to the car because it's a very, very powerful car. It's a 2-liter Boxer turbocharged engine. This one also have the SI mode. It have the SI track mode in it as well, which you're not going to find in the regular Subaru. Inside the features, we have the crash prevention, lane keep assist, the blind spot monitor. You have a camera in this mirror as well. So this practically monitors your blind side. You have front camera, back camera.
So we have a front camera right there.
Yeah, and the design in the hood. And the intercooler is located right here. So you have this cutout just for the intercooler itself. And the turbo is below the engine. We can't even show you this one without putting it under the car. But the intercooler is on the top. The turbo is at the bottom, connected to the exhaust. The rims them are exclusive to this package. And the rims there, they not only look nice, but they have a specific purpose as well. They're designed to cool down the brake pad. So when you're going at high speeds, you wouldn't want your brake pad to overheat. I can't stop. We have the Alcantara interior, which Alcantara is basically just a mixture between leather and suede. Them are also bucket seats, fully powered. Both front seats are fully powered, so you won't have to worry about any mechanical thing.
Yeah. So all the fully powered once again. Fully powered.
You have heated seats in this as well.
Of course, you have your diffuser, your rear diffuser. You have your big wing. You don't know that's a Subaru signature. And the S4 badging. So it's a WRX S4. Again, similar features like your WRX STI. So we're now on the inside and we're gonna give you a bit more of the features and functions that this car has.
Alright, so the mirror, like camera, you have a reverse camera. This is the blind spot camera I'm gonna tell you about over that side there. So you don't have one on the right, but you have one on the left. Alright, just like the Volvo as well, this have the blind spot monitor as well. So you have in all of those sensors. You're not currently in a manual now, so you can use the paddle shifters to them and shift up and down. Back in a park. So you see that little gauge right there, so that is actually a boost gauge for the turbo. So you can change all of them. This is the Eyesight, so all of the sensors them. This here basically find out everything for you when you drive. So if you have
and the sensors for the Eyesight are right.
Yeah, everything is up here.
Right in the top right.
You have all the sensors here, and you have sensors in the mirror as well.
All right. So does this, like the Volvo, does this assist with parking? I remember the Volvo can.
No, unfortunately this one don't have the auto parking.
This is just blind spot monitor.
Yeah, this is just a blind spot monitor.
Okay.
So you can go through and change all of the settings up here. And you have your lane keep assist up here, your crash prevention as well.
Lane keep assist, and the other one on the right, crash prevention. So you can turn those on and off.
Yeah, you can turn these on and off as well.
And on the steering wheel?
Okay, so on the steering wheel you can choose between a different driving mode. This one is for the track. So you can see you have 3 lines right there, so depending on which mode you pick. So this is just regular mode, this is sport mode, and then this is a track mode.
Alright, so let me give the viewers a view of that graph. So as you go through, so this is which mode now? Go through. The blue is representing what?
The regular mode.
Regular mode.
Alright, this is sport mode.
Sport mode is yellow.
Then you have track mode.
And track mode is at what, red or purplish color?
I call that purple. Man, that's purple.
Okay.
You have 10,000 kilometers on this model as well.
So the current mileage, guys, is just 10,879 kilometers. This is a race car and a family car. Currently in the back seat, I'm 5'11", and this is the space that you get. So if a passenger is here, or if you're behind the driver, you still have enough space in the back. It's not big enough. It's a big enough car. Seat can come back somewhere. So the seat was all the way back, and that would allow the person in the front to be in the most comfortable position. Again, if it's a smaller person at front, you still have more leg room to play with in the back. So you have enough space around here in the back of this vehicle. In the front, I'm well relaxed. Seat is now all the way back. Well relaxed. So that's the amount of space that you get in the Subaru WRX. Alright, tell me about the screen, because I'm seeing this is a 7-inch or larger. This is like 10-inch, man.
And this thing is about 8. It's an 8-inch display.
Yeah.
So it's fully touch screen. You have your Bluetooth, your aux, iPod. So all of those functions are on this here. And
I see below here you have under here, I don't know if you guys can see.
You have your USB port and the aux plug.
Yeah, so HDMI is under there, and also USB. One of the things that I love about every car, each car here, is how well kept they are. We were just on the inside, you saw the interior, well clean, well fresh, And when we take you to the engine bay, this is as if it has never been driven. The engine bay is well clean, well fresh. This fully serviced? Fully serviced, engine wash. This looks like a brand new battery. So again, just like with the other cars, you can just buy and drive. The engine is washed, the engine is serviced, brand new battery installed, interior is fresh. You just need to come here, purchase a vehicle, and you're good for another month or two. Here is your trunk space. But this diffuser, love the diffuser. Quad muffler or quad tips. And again, your STI body kits.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is out of.
So right now you purchase this car, again, separate on the fact that it's separate separate from the fact that it is clean, it is already serviced. In terms of appearance, you don't really have to do nothing same way, because you have the body kits, you have your diffuser, you have your front lip, you have the wing, you have everything to make this sporty. It's already a sporty car. Buy and drive. That's it. So again, with this vehicle, you do get your rain visors. Rain visor on the front, rain visor on the rear. And this vehicle has a keyless entry. So for the driver door and the passenger front door, you do get keyless entry. So I can just open and lock. And if we should go around to the passenger side, locked. So you do have keyless entry, however it's on the front doors only. I like them little STI badge in here on the side skirts. And if you go here, you have your WRX badging on the fender. And on the front, body kit here, all LED. Go on, all LEDs, so you have LEDs here, LEDs, and more LEDs in the headlights. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take it for a little spin to see what it feels like. And you know, the comfort level, the sportiness of this vehicle, and you know, give you a bit of preview of what it would be like owning and driving this car. That's up clear. That's your seatbelt.
Yeah, man, I done my seatbelt.
So we're in full automatic mode. So that green on the wheels indicates that all four tires or four wheels are getting power.
Yeah.
Again, seats are comfortable. Bucket seats or semi-bucket seats, but this lumbar support in the back is really helping me right now, because it's not too soft, it's not too firm, it's just right, and it's really supporting my back right now. Yeah, if you guys could feel this all, again, we're in a automatic mode. And I just punched it a while ago and the response, yo.
And this now, you know, the track mode, I see. This is just a regular SI drive.
So the regular SI drive and it's a BF, alright? But again, the steering. You don't really want, like, with cars like these, you don't really want to add, you know, any steering wheel cover. Like, the feeling of this, as it is now, is quite fine. So to put it in track mode, do we need to stop? Or can you just select track mode?
Yeah, we can just go in track mode.
And I feel it a while ago, you can feel
the stiffness in the suspension.
Yeah. So this does feel comfortable, guys. It's your family car and your race car.
Because them I get to come and know you're available for parts. I can't really have any parts from Subaru.
That was one of the issues persons were used to talk about, like parts. Where you get parts, and Subaru parts are expensive, but because, as you just pointed out, because of the, you know, the fact that more persons are purchasing Subaru vehicles, parts are now readily available. So that's not something you need to worry about.
Oh, and these are not tune yet either. So these are just stock.
Everything's stock. 295 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. So the person who purchases this, of course, will be the first owner in the island of Jamaica.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to find any one of them mirrors nowhere in Jamaica. 2019
S4.
S4. I don't think you're going to find any even Subaru supposed to have a problem for bringing this time.
So you hear that, guys? So if you want something unique, you're not going to really find a lot of persons with this version of the Subaru WRX right now. Yes. So 2019, the price is
8 million negotiable.
8 million negotiable, and again, it's going to be a unique purchase. Not many persons have this. Whoa. Yeah, this is stock, people. This is stock and it is quick. To the persons who have never driven a Subaru with a big wing, even though that large wing is in the back, it still doesn't hinder your vision or your view of the outside. So it's there, it's visible, you're seeing it, but you can still see what's behind you very easily. Here what happened, the Volvo that we did last week, my intention was to come and do the parking, the auto parking. What do you call it again?
The auto parking
assist. Yeah, the auto parking assist. And we're here now and hear that the Volvo sold already. A lady came and was purchasing.
You want your car sold?
So our original Osmo came through and did some cool shots for us. See if you can identify which scenes or which shots are from the Osmo, the original Osmo. But guys, once again, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so. Remember to like this video, share this video, and if you have a vehicle selling or if you have a friend with a vehicle selling, link us, we'll come by, we'll do a video for you, help you to get that car sold as fast as possible. But until the other one, bless up on yourself.